Let's talk about ETH because everyone was expecting the price of Bitcoin to rally on that initial announcement, and ETH took off before Bitcoin did. Were you expecting to see that? And how do you expect to see Ether's price progress over the rest of 2024?
Yeah, we had mixed opinions here at Hashnote, actually. My personal opinion was that the Bitcoin ETF is a big deal, but it's going to be a slow trickle, right? As RIAs come on board, more money managers start to onboard the ETF, we're going to see a lot of flows into Bitcoin. And that'll be big over the course of 2024. But everyone was expecting this big jump, perhaps the weekend after or the week after, and that was not really my view. Although, to be fair, several others on my staff did believe that this would be a continued inflow and they would see much more coming straight out of the ETF. I think it's quite telling that Ethereum had its rally and hasn't sold off the same way Bitcoin has thereafter. And I think that's really a rotation into what we're looking for next. That Ethereum ETF is almost certainly on the horizon. I think Ethereum has a lot of interesting features, including the fact that it has a natural inborn yield provision or dividend provision, depending on how you look at that, look at staking yields. And so, I think staked ETH funds are going to have a lot of room to run over the next year. Not a lot of reason for people to stay in Ethereum ETFs if they can get the dividend yield or the staking yield within a fund vehicle. And the next step after that is almost certainly altcoins. So we've seen a big run up in Solana. We've seen a big run up in Ethereum layer 2s. I think the use cases around Ethereum and the potential cash flows that come off of some of these layer 2s as well as Ethereum itself are really interesting to investors going forward.